Day 52 of building GhostBoss in public. Today we hit another pretty big milestone in the database migration. GhostBoss started writing directly to Postgres. We started today with gate 5, and up until this point, we had proven that GhostBoss could safely read its information directly from the new database. But before moving on, we needed to make sure that the rest of the app still worked correctly with Postgres handling those reads. So we ran the full test across our 5 fake founders, and then 5 out of 5 sessions passed. 35 out of 35 Postgres checks passed, 0 fallbacks to Google Sheets, 0 mismatches. So the read side of gate 5 is officially done. Then we moved on to the other half, writing to the database. This is a pretty important transition. GhostBoss has been reading from Postgres, but actions like done, blocked, and proof were still being saved through the old Google Sheets system, which means we were basically reading from one place and then writing to another. Obviously, that's not where we want to end up. So rather than move everything at once, we're doing this in smaller controlled pieces. And today we started with 2 of the most important actions in GhostBoss, which are done and proof. So when a founder completes a task or submits proof that they completed it, GhostBoss can now save that directly into Postgres. We also built protections around it, so duplicate requests or 2 things happening at the same time don't accidentally mess up a founder's task history. And rather than test any of this against staging, we created another completely isolated database specifically for these tests. Then we ran the real database tests, and 8 out of 8 passed. Done passed, proof passed, duplicate protection passed, even the simultaneous updates passed. And nothing touched production or our staging data. So we checkpointed everything and deliberately stopped before deploying it. Next time, we'll push this into staging and see if GhostBoss can complete its first real tasks with Postgres handling the action directly. So we're still moving this migration one controlled piece at a time, but today was a pretty important one. GhostBoss isn't just reading from its new database anymore. It's starting to write to it too. So another brick, execution over motivation. See you tomorrow.